Put me out. I want you to do it.
Lean, he can't put you in jail.
I know we can.
Hell, you son.
Get the hell out.
It's been a minute since we last kicked.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be working with Vshowhair. Today they sent me a closure wig. It's 180 density Brazilian hair. Y'all see it on the package, and it's 24 inches. You know, I'm just showing what they sent me in a little packet. You know, the lashes that don't nobody wear. 24 inches, say on the bag. Make sure your shit correct. I'm just unpackaging it, you know, seeing what it's looking like. I don't really wear closure wigs, but, you know, I'm still making do with it. So, first thing I'm going to do is just hot comb the hairs back, because I'm going to bleach the knots. I don't care if it's glueless, if it look like it comes pre-bleached or what, I'm going to bleach the knots. If I see black knots, I'm going to bleach them. Now just continue hot combing that wig flat. You can do this on your head or on the wig head. It really doesn't matter, whichever you prefer. But I'm just doing this. I'm showing all the products that I use. Just a regular old wax stick. Now after I finish hot combing, I just flip the wig upside down, the mannequin head. You don't gotta do this. Like I said, do it how you can do it, but this is how I do it. I just make sure all the little hairs are out the way so I do not get them over bleached. Then I already prepped my bleach, and I did not get me putting it on there on camera, but just make it a real thick consistency. And I just leave it on there for 30 minutes. You know, after 30 minutes, it should look like this. And I washed it with purple shampoo. You know, I did not pluck this wig. This wig was very good. Like, it did not need to be plucked, so I did not even go in and pluck it. And I did not do no baby hairs either. I wanted that natural look, because it gives a natural look. Like, this is a very good quality wig. I really do recommend this wig. Not just because they paying me, okay? Get this wig. This is a good wig. This is a good wig just to throw on. Like, with a hat or anything. Get this wig. So today I'm doing a side part. I'm not doing a side part. I'm doing a middle part. I was going to do a side part, but I would say it's giving middle. It's giving bust down. It's giving middle. So I'm doing me a middle. I don't know why people be saying they can't do a side part with a closure. I be doing side parts with a closure. Go in there with that hot comb. Make sure it's nice and flat. You can do this on the head or on your head. On the wig head or your head. After I'm done with all that, I like to go in and create this little T part. It makes it make it look like a little leave out. Like it make it look more natural. Like instead of just having that thick ass track right there, part some hair out. You know? Make it give it what it's supposed to give, you know? With the wax. Hot comb, wax stick. Okay, now that you're all done with that, you just take your edge control or whatever you use to slick your edges back. Slick your edges back. Put the wig cap on. Apply the makeup. Your skin tone. Okay? And then you really just slap the wig on, to be honest. I just put a little foam on there, you know. Put a little foam. Or you can use got to be glue spray. But to me, that's not really glueless. But I just put a little bit of foam and blow dry it. You know, on cool setting so it can really just dry. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed doing it. Thank you guys for watching.